Today I will show you how we can update our WordPress code installation manually. Sometimes here from WordPress admin dashboard, the update option may not work properly. Sometimes there have been occurred any issue or the files may be or update that may be corrupted. So for in that scenario, we can update the WordPress core installation files from our hosting server file manager manually. So let's see how we can do this. For that, we need to download the WordPress core latest installation files. We need to go wordpress.org, then download the latest version of WordPress files, and then we need to cPanel, then we need to go file manager. I am already in our file manager in the website root directory. So this is the root directory of our, we will update WordPress files here. So to update the WordPress files, we need to prepare our local WordPress downloaded files. So for that, we need to enter our loaded files here. If we open the zip file, we can see that there are WordPress folder and then the files including WP content folder, but we will not need WP content folder. So for to manage the files, we will create a new folder. We will except WP content and any other things. So the file has been extracted successfully. We can see here the WP content folder is absent and WP config.php file also absent. So this is the fresh file. We will make it zip archive again regarding the upload in the server. WP no content, we can just rename this file. Okay, the file is creating the zip. We will upload here, but before that we will remove the old existing files except WP content and WP config, these two files. Okay, so let's select all the files except WP content and WP config.php. Okay, so select all, but be careful here that we won't select for deleting the well-known CGI because this is related hosting server and WP content is our existing content directory. We won't touch this htaccess user ini php ini. This files is outside of WordPress, so we this, and here we will not touch wp config.php file because all the WordPress configuration is in this file, such as database and other things. So now be careful and check everything once again that wp config WP content is not selected to delete. After checking, we can deleted all the selected WordPress files only. So delete this. Don't do anything wrong here, so be careful. And we need to upload our prepared file WP no content. That means WP content is not available into this file. We will just replace other files by this. Hope this is done. If we reload, the file has been uploaded properly, and we will extract now here in the same root directory. So now we can delete the file since it has been extracted successfully and we don't need this anymore. So all the WP admin, WP includes, and all other files has been updated successfully. If we reload our dashboard, we can see that everything working perfectly. So that means our WordPress version, WordPress installation core files has been updated successfully. So this is the process how we can update the WordPress core manually. This should be helpful. So this is for this video. Tata, bye bye.